Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm gonna take a look at these side pull brake calipers. I'm gonna explain you how they work, what are these 4 bolts here for, and let's go from there. And if you found this useful, give it a like at the end of the video and let's go from there. So over here in front of me, I'm gonna just tilt the camera. I have the old school side pull brakes. Let's apply some pressure and see how they work. So the first bolt here that you have is this one over here. The more you loosen this bolt over here, the quicker it will be for caliper to bite. So I'm gonna apply some pressure on the brakes now. I'm gonna press the lever and see now. They do bite fairly quick, fairly fast, because this bolt is a little bit loose. I mean, not too tight, just the way it should be. And for the brakes to work at its best performance, you always want to apply some chain lubricant right here and right here. So the front of the caliper, so you don't get that friction, and the same here right in the middle of the caliper, so you don't get the friction here as well. And again, I'm going to link in the description some VW40 lubricant, as well as the Park Tool lube that you can apply here. Okay, so this is the first bolt. Okay, now let's look at the second one. The second one right here behind is this bolt, which is basically holding the caliper, but at the same time, this bolt allows you to go this way and center the caliper, which is right here. So it's going to hold it, but at the same time, it's going to allow you to center it this way. So this caliper can go like this. Basically, you can move this way and this way how you want it. So you have this one and you have this bolt over here. Now, the third bolt that I want to talk about is this one over here. Hope you can see that quite well. Is this bolt over here. This one is holding the brake pad. So again, I'm going to press over here. And if you look closely here, as I apply the pressure on the brake, look here, it's going to bite right where it should be. So basically, you want this pad to bite right on the rim. If it's biting the rubber, or if it's biting below over here, it needs to be adjusted. So it needs to be moved up and down like this over here. And you're going to do that by loosening this bolt. And again, adjust the pad up and down how you want it. So that's the third bolt over here. And then there is the fourth one, which is this one over here. As you can see, it's holding, this bolt is holding the cable, the brake cable over here. And it will keep it tight. And look now as I apply. And basically that's that. So you basically have 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is how the side pull brake calipers work. Hopefully you found this easy and interesting. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.